How to see notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Notifications. On this Notifications page, you manage how notifications from your apps are delivered and displayed. In the Display As section, you can choose how notifications appear on your lock screen. Change the option from Stack to List. As you can see, after going back to the lock screen, by default it shows the number of new notifications we have, and notifications now appear one by one in a list form from the bottom of the display. You can change this view anytime to suit your preference. Following these steps, you can easily customize how you see notifications on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.